It is of moving rubber hair wax, with a resilient finish as many times as can move. Representing the air, lift the hair soft, tender and springy. Fresh hair is a good touch. Supple in hard power, made the lasting sense of how big. After the rest, not nonchalant, blue apple aroma. Preservative-free. And how to use the parts want to bristles or hair movement from taking the small amount in the palm of your hand, stretched out enough in the palm of your hand to gently. After use, always close cap. Safety information. Keep out of reach of children. If swallowed, get medical help. Discontinue use if rash, redness, or itching occurs. Consult physician if irritation persists. Indications. Provides support and control, but allows to create lightweight pliable hairstyle and add lift to the roots, leaving hair with volume, fullness and flexible texture. For long-lasting stirring spiky hair. Ingredients. Water, paraffin, mineral oil, butylene glycol, euphorbia cerifera, candelilla, wax, coperniciacerifera, carnauba, wax, sorbitan stearate, CETETH20, ethylhexyl palmitate, stearic acid, stearyl alcohol, triethanolamine, CAPRYLYL glycol, dimethicone, fragrance, carbomer, PEG 250 distearate, panthenol, paliquaternium 11, blue 1, C42090, yellow 10, C47005. Top reviews from the United States. Got me all da ladies. But I am still single. Title says it all.